Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about some apps which are useful to the students. I use these apps on daily basis and that's why I decided to share them if anyone is missing out on these apps. I will provide links for all the apps in the description if you want to check them out. Before continuing, please subscribe to the channel if you have not already and like the video, and let's get straight into it. So the first app on the list is called School Planner. It's a simple management app for students. It will track your classes, homeworks, exams, etc. You can take some time to add the timetable, subjects and teachers. It has some nice widgets to show your classes, and you can set a timer to notify you about the upcoming classes. And by tapping on this plus button, you can add reminders, exams or homework. You can set a time to remind you all the things that you have in the day. Totally recommend this app. So the next app is called Attendance Manager. As the name suggests, it tracks your attendance. You can add or delete subjects, and you have this tick mark and cross mark to add or remove your attendance from that particular subject. You can see your attendance stats, the timeline view of when you attended the classes. You can also set minimum attendance criteria. If you ever make a mistake, then you can edit the attendance also. This is a very useful app if you ever forget how many classes you missed on a subject. Okay, the third app on the list is called Memory G. It's basically a reminder app and I like the clean look of it. It will show you your current tasks. You can swipe down to access different categories. If you are like me and you forget your friends' birthdays, you can add them in here and it will remind you. My favorite feature in this app is that if you go into the settings and select this option called Nag Me, then if any of your task is overdue, then the app will show a notification and you can remove the notification, which is pretty annoying, and you will be motivated to finish the task. I would suggest you guys to dive deep into the app and explore all its features. The next app on the list is called Smart Kid 360. This is a multi-purpose app and there are a lot of different things you can do in here. There is a dictionary, code scanner, pedometer, leveler, audio cutter and so on. But my two favorite things in here are protractor and ruler. You can select protractor, and in the mode you can select plumb mode, which will allow you to basically orient your phone at an angle and it will display that angle. The ruler can be used to measure the length of small things like a pencil or something. You just place the pencil right beside the phone and adjust the line accordingly, and it will display the length in inches or centimeters. Also, you can add these individual widgets to your home screen, which will allow you to open the feature directly. Of course, there are a lot of different things in here and I would suggest you to try them yourself and see if it helps you. The fifth app is called Data Counter Widget. It will track your data usage on your phone, and I didn't realize how much this app is useful until I used it. It shows you how much data is used daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. And also you can check app-wise usage here, and also there are filters like mobile data or Wi-Fi, download or upload and so on. Anyway, my favorite feature in this app is that this app will let you to add simple widgets onto the home screen, just to remind you how much data you have used in the entire day or month. The next app is called Word Web Dictionary. I know that most of us use Google for word meanings, but trust me, this app is very much useful to learn new words. And there is history in the app. You can check back on the words you have searched before. My favorite feature is that you can get a random word and its meaning in the app, which is very nice if you are trying to learn some new words. And you can click on any word inside the meaning and it will take you to the meaning of that word, which is pretty handy. Okay, how will this be useful apps video without note-taking apps, right? Next app is the Google Keep Notes app. If you have not used this app or don't know about this app before, then you are really missing out. This is a simple note-taking app and it is from Google, so all your notes are synced online and you don't have to worry about missing them. In fact, I have my notes from 3 years back and I can still access them now. You can add drawings, checkboxes, recordings and so on. My favorite feature in this app is that you can create labels, which is basically a group of notes. You can add any note to a label by typing hashtag and selecting the label from the drop-down list. Very simple and straightforward app and I would totally recommend it. The final app for today's video is called Notion. It is very powerful note-taking app and I can't explain all of its features in a single video. You can log in with Google account and you can create personal notes, and also if you have a team of members and you are working on a project, then you can create a workspace and collaborate together. And this app syncs across all your devices and it is fast. There are a ton of other features and of course I use this app the most. My favorite feature is that if you want to share your notes to your friend, you can just click on the share button and enable public access. You will get a link which you can share to your friend and it will open in the Chrome, which is an awesome feature. I would definitely recommend this app for you to try. It really made my life easy. Finally, if I missed any apps that you think are useful, then comment them down below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.